Yo, motherfucking YouTube. What the fuck is up? Your boy Josh Larry here. Just got done working out. This workout was brutal. I did not the cardio session. The cardio session was pretty easy. I like to keep it light cardio, because otherwise, if I don't keep it like cardio, then I'm going to be fucking drenched in sweat, tired as fuck for my workout. And so sometimes I just have cardio days. Sometimes I do mix cardio in with my actual workout. And so today actually was a cardio session with a workout. So I was on the treadmill for, not the treadmill, but the sit down, and then you sit down at the sit down bike, and I was on that bad boy for like probably 15 minutes or so, and then there was a couple people actually around me that were actually working out too, so I had to try to focus in on my own fucking biking while everyone else was doing their own thing, which was kind of a hard thing to do, because if there's distractions, then you really can't get much accomplished in anything that you do. So I sat there and I was pedaling, and then I was listening to some Tyga, and then I was like, you know what? Let's get some upbeat music. Let's get some good feeling music. So I was like, let's change it to Cut Snake. Boom. Changed it to Cut Snake. And then fucking from there, I was just like, man, this cardio shit's for the fucking birds. So I was just like, hopped off the treadmill, went and then freaking started doing some bicep curls, and I did like 25, 3 sets of 25 on bicep curls, where that tricep extension machine, or not machine, but the handle where you tricep extend with the rope. That's what I was doing with my bicep curls, except I was just like, boom, boom, just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 25, 3 sets. And boy, I tell you, that final 10, that third set, that final 10 reps was just brutal. I was like, damn, cuz, like, that shit, that shit's fucking crazy. That shit fucking is so insane. But, so let's fucking walk and talk out here. But, pretty fucking crazy. Haven't really gave you guys an apartment tour, so let's fucking get that apartment tour in. All right. This is what the outside looks like. But yeah, pretty fucking stoked. Just coming this way. Stairs. And then here's my place. Right here. Luckily it's just right towards the front. But yeah, it's a little messy here. As you can tell, got beer bottles, fucking Red Bull, fucking Jif peanut butter. But yeah, the fucking kitchen's dirty as always. But yeah, it's fucking disgusting in here. But there's the microwave, the fridge. And then we enter the living room. And then there's my roommate's skateboard. And then, hey, they actually cleaned this table off. Cool. But there's a table. Couch got kind of fucked up shit right there. Kind of fucked up seat cushions. A little table. And yeah, I don't know what's back here. Let's see what's back here. Blankets and stuff. Guitar. Oh, don't look at that. It's not mine. I don't smoke weed. So. And then the TV. Got the speakers. Gain system. I don't play video games either. So. Right here we have our laundry room. So dope. But yeah, so. And then you come in here. Here's my bathroom. Oh, the toilet's disgusting. Toilet's gross. Haven't got a toilet bowl cleaner yet, but there's the toilet, towel rack, and then 2 mirrors here. One right there, one right there. Got my Axe flexible paste for your hair. Deep action, clean and clear, exfoliating scrub, vitamin E, Jason, age renewal, hydration face for your face. Some firming and hydrating lotion, Olay, deodorant, and a face mask that I haven't used in fucking forever. So there's my face trimmer, toothpaste, toilet paper. Then we come in here. Got my mirror set up here. Got my dirty laundry, suitcase, nothing up there. Yeah, by the way, I don't use what's it called? I don't use sheets. Funny. Got Marcel in the background talking. Marcel Klein on YouTube. Got my Bubba jug. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Ready to fucking slay this day away. Got about another 4 hours till bedtime. So I'm pretty fucking stoked to just continue to be on my journey of life. Marcel's a very interesting character. He was just hiring and I put my application in, but I haven't heard anything back yet. So I don't know if he's going to hire me or not. I'd like to move to Los Angeles eventually, but I just always get too comfortable in Oklahoma, and comfort kills, you know. So I got to get out of my comfort zone more, travel more, earn more money, and just build an elite social circle, as Luke would understand. But yeah, so pretty fucking stoked for this video to come out. I'm releasing it this Saturday. So I don't know, nothing really big's coming up. So on my end, so I got to start scheduling, penciling in certain events and stuff into my schedule, so I can have something to talk to you guys about and something to enjoy my time here on this earth while we still have time. While we still have time before all this craziness of the New World Order. They tried taking over the world, and the world government tries taking over the world and giving everyone a mark in their right hand or their forehead. And yeah, so, and then Jesus is coming back, baby. You already know. So let's fucking get this. Let's get this shit. Let's fucking be brand new. Let's renew our minds with the Bible. Let's get to know one another. Go out to public outings. Get to know people. Yesterday, last night, I just went out and that vibe was completely off. There was like some kind of demonic energy there. And I was just like not feeling it. And they were playing some hood ass music. So like those two things, demonic energy and hood music, just don't mix. So I was just like, you know what, I'm not really having a good time. But I'm going to close this video out here. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.